Hello students, now we will solve the third drawing in the week 4. Okay, so it is this diagram consists of rectangles as well as circles. We will start the diagram from the lowermost left corner. Using the line command, I will click randomly on the screen and draw the 82 millimeter length line now. Enter. Then 90 millimeter vertical line. Enter. The width of the slot is not given. It is assumed that 20 millimeter. Enter. Then the slot height is 130 minus 90, 40 millimeter. Sorry, 40 millimeter it is. Deleting that line and redraw for 40 millimeter length. 40 millimeter. Enter. Then 20 millimeter width line we are completing, and the distance, this distance, vertical distance, we can calculate by subtracting 160 minus 130. So it is 130 millimeter. 130. Enter. Then next the distance is wrongly drawn. It is 30 millimeter. 160 minus 130. So 30 is the distance. Enter. Then next we need to draw the inclined line with 50-degree angle. Actually from the 0 we have to take the angle, so 90 plus 50, 140. Okay, so tab, enter the angle 140. Enter. I am stopping with this, and next I draw the topmost line, that is from the base 220 millimeter on horizontal line is located, that I am going to draw. For that I will offset the baseline for 220 millimeter. Enter. Okay, so selecting the baseline, then click on the top side. Okay, so this is the required top line. This I will extend roughly. Enable the ortho mode. Now extend roughly. Then offset this topmost line for 32 millimeters in order to draw this 32 mm feature. Okay, now I am offsetting for 32 millimeter. Enter. Select the topmost line, then click downward so that I am getting this 32 height line. Next I am going to offset this right vertical line for 132 millimeter in order to draw this 132 width feature. Okay, so offset 132 is the offset distance. Enter. Select this vertical line and click on the left side. This line I am going to extend up to topmost line. Okay, now I delete the unwanted, trim the unwanted features. Okay, and keeping this horizontal line. Now I am continuing the diagram from the lowermost left corner to complete the figure. So the vertical distance here is 60. Enter. Then the horizontal distance we can calculate from 102 minus 82. It is 20 millimeter. Enter. Then draw vertical line up to it touches the horizontal line. Already we draw. Okay, now I trim this unwanted portion. Now I get the figure. Okay, I get the figure. Now I need to draw the circles. Circle location we need to draw. First smaller circle, 30 mm diameter circle. It is located 35 millimeter from the left side, from the vertical line, 60 mm vertical line. Offset 35 distance, offset displacement is 35. Okay, offset distance is 35. Enter. I am selecting this vertical line and click on the right side. Now I get one axis. Next the another one location, y-axis location is given. From the base the circle center is located 50 millimeter. For that I am offsetting the baseline to 50 millimeter. So select offset distance, enter the distance 50 millimeter. Enter. Then select the base line and click on the top side. Now the intersection of this vertical line and horizontal line gives the center for the circle. Now I am selecting circle. Now I go to draw the circle, select the center diameter option, select the intersection of two lines, that is the center point, and the diameter. Now specify the diameter is 30. Okay, enter. Now circle is over. Then second circle, its vertical distance is located, the center of the 45 mm diameter circle is located from the base 117 millimeter. Now I am offsetting the baseline for 117 millimeter. Type offset distance 117, enter, select the baseline and click top side. Okay, now I will get the y axis. Now I need a x-axis for the circle center. X-axis, the circle center is located 45 millimeter from left. Now I am offsetting the 45 millimeter, the left line for 45 millimeter. Selecting offset command, distance of offset is 45 millimeter, enter. Then select the vertical line and click. Okay, the intersection of this vertical and horizontal line give the circle center. Now I draw the circle, select the center diameter option. Center is the intersection of the two vertical and horizontal lines, and the diameter value I am giving as 45, enter. Now I completed the circle center. Okay, now next dimensioning. Before that I edit the dim style for the text as well as arrow size. Modify option, text I am giving as, for example, 6 millimeter. Arrow size also I am giving as 6 millimeter. Then text alignment is horizontal. Primary units I am taking single digit accuracy. Okay, set current, close. Next I am dimensioning the required using annotation tab. I go to annotation tab, select the dimensions linear. Okay, linear option, select the distance circle center from the left side 35. Repeat the dim linear. The width of the line base side it is 82. Then repeat dim linear from the base. Okay, overall width is 102. Then repeat the dim linear, circle center, first circle center 50. Then repeat dim linear for other features, it is 60. Second circle center from the base it is 117. Okay, then repeat dim linear from the base, topmost point is located 220 millimeter. Then the from the base the slot is located 90. Then from the base the slot is located 130. And next the inclined line starting distance is given by 160. And in order to draw the angular displacement, we need to draw a vertical line here, vertical line. And now I go for angular dimensioning, selecting the I need to select the angular dimension, select the inclined line and select the vertical line. I will get the 50 degree angle line. Next go ahead with dim linear, annotate tab, dim linear, topmost width we need to dimension it 132. Similarly the left side feature 32 mm we need to dimension it, that also completed. Next circle we need to dimension it. Go to the annotate tab, click the linear, diameter symbol is coming, select the bigger circle, then it is giving diameter, simply drag. So I'm for second circle, repeat dim diameter, select the second circle, then drag and keep in the space like this. Okay, so the dimension should not intersect with each other. Now all dimensioning is over. Now the required drawing is completed. Thank you, students.